So your objective is going to be to reach into the box and you're going to guess what the item is based on touch alone.
Okay.
Okay, give it a big hug. Ooh.
The language round. Oh, it's like a. It's one of like the wiper blade things we.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
All right. That's 100% a channel. Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
This is a squeegee channel.
Is this like a squeegee handle? Or the rubber end that goes on a squeegee?
Oh, nice. I should have known, it's lightweight. This is aluminum.
Squeegee blade.
Is it an 18-inch Ettore brass channel? No. Close.
Squeegee rubber? Or no? Channel. Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. The track brush.
It's one of those like wood brushes that have the red bristles on them.
Okay. All right. Oh, WCR Track Brush, 100%. Boom. Can't fool me on that one.
We keep them in the A aisle. I can tell you all the info besides what it's actually called. But it's got red bristles and a wooden handle. There should be a name like right there.
Alright, give me something easy. Give me something easy. It's a brush. It's a small brush.
Yes.
Wow, I'm pretty good, aren't I?
I don't know. It's a red brush.
It's a track cleaner.
Track cleaner. See, I wouldn't know that. Darn. Darn, darn.
Ooh, she's soft.
That's a towel.
WCR Beanie. Beanies.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's a towel. Microfiber towel.
Oh, nice. The WCR Beanie. Yeah. Very nice. Keep your ears warm too.
Does this go on top of the ladders? It's like a ladder bonnet. It's a beanie. I'm gonna go with ladder bonnet.
Oh, that's not a towel? It's a beanie. WCR beanie. Should know about that.
It's a beanie. Beanie! Yay, I got one right.
I could do something. You'll cut it up to make it seem like exciting.
Yeah.
Woohoo!